What is the basis of my PPP loan amount if I'm an S corporation? Welcome, I'm Christopher, an immigrant CEO, founder of YCO Tax, an all-year-round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. This is one of the most common questions and also creating more problems than solution for people that are S corporation. Ideally, when you are an S corporation, you need to put yourself on payroll. When we're talking about payroll, we're not talking about owners withdrawal. That this allows you to do that when you are an S corporation. That's why when you apply to the lender, they're asking for your two forms, either the form 940, this is the total summary of the wages that you pay to your employees, and you need to include yourself. It is not optional. You have to include yourself on W2, on that payroll. And the other form that you could submit is the form W3. This is the total summary of the payroll that you gave to all the employees. For example, you have 10 employees. On the W3 form, it shows there the total number, including you, on the payroll for 2020. But yesterday, I had a client in Houston, Texas, and she was asking, she's an S corporation, but the problem, she did an owner's withdrawal. She did not put herself on payroll that she's contributing Social Security, Medicare. Can she use her retained earnings or ordinary income that is reported or that was reported on her 1120S under Schedule K1? That is the problem because on the SBA they don't accept that as part as your payroll cost because it is not subject to self-employment tax, especially if you're the only owner of the S corporation. Because self-employment tax, always remember, S corporation is a pass-through entity. You don't pay an SE tax, and that creates the conflict. What would be my advice moving forward for people that are choosing to be an S corporation? You have to be very careful at this point. And doing it yourself could be detrimental and could be very, very risky in any compliance with the PPP at the same time with the SBA and the IRS. It is better more than any time that you have to consult a tax expert, payroll, or bookkeeping expert before you even select to be an S corporation. That's all for today. If you have more questions, I know these forms are very complicated. We are here to help. If you want us to have a 30-minute consultation, just click and subscribe and send us a message because here in YCO Tax, your success is our business. Stay safe.